Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix can't add phone number to your Steam account. Now there's a number of different fixes we can try. So the first fix is to check your phone number format. So make sure you're typing your number correctly. So include your country code. For example, +1 for USA, +61 for Australia, +44 for UK. Do not add extra spaces or symbols other than the plus at the start. Now you want to also verify your carrier in SMS. So Steam sends a verification code via SMS. Ensure your phone can receive international SMS messages. Now, if you use a voice IP, VoIP, or internet-based mobile numbers like Google Voice, TextNow, or Skype, it may not work. So Steam usually requires a real mobile number and not a voice IP. Now, the next step is to remove old numbers. So if your phone number is already linked to another Steam account, you won't be able to add it. So log into the old account if possible. Then from here, you want to get into settings. So click on the Steam, click on the settings, and now search for account details. All right, it's not inside of settings. It's actually inside of our profile. So click on our profile and click onto account details there. Now, make sure you're inside account details under contact info. Now where it says phone number, and now go ahead and remove that phone number from that old account detail from your old account. Also, now once we've done that, log back into your other Steam account that you're having the issue with. And then from here, go ahead and click on Steam, click into settings, click onto the security tab here. And now under Steam Guard here, click on Manage Steam Guard. So make sure your email is verified. Steam often blocks phone numbers linking if your email isn't verified. So come back into Steam, settings, account. And as you can see, add email address, it's verified. It says crypto. My email address, it doesn't say verify anything like that, so it is verified. Now we can also try through the Steam mobile app. So download the Steam mobile app on your device, iOS and Android, then log into your account, tap on the menu, get in a Steam Guard and add phone number from there. Sometimes the app works better than the desktop client. Also, we can wait and retry. So if you entered your number too many times in a short period, this could be a problem. So Steam might temporarily block you. So wait 24 hours and try again. Now, if all else fails, we might need to go ahead and contact Steam support. I'm just going to close out of here. Now go to help.steampowered.com. Now we need to go ahead and choose My Account, Manage Account Details. Now we need to sign into our account. Now after you put in Manage My Account, it's going to have an option to submit a ticket. And then once you've submitted your ticket, you want to ask them or say, I've got issues adding my phone number to my Steam account. Can you please help me with that?